I'm working on a 97 Honda Civic EX today. Your EXs and HXs are both the same. They got V-tec solenoids in them, and sometimes they leak. If you're ever getting an oil leak on like the left rear side of the engine, or just the far left side of the engine, a lot of times it'll be like a distributor shaft O-ring. Those leak a lot, or your V-tec solenoid gaskets. It's on the left side, just below the valve cover. And these two, sometimes you might go to the dealer and you might ask for these gaskets, and they tell you all they sell is the whole solenoid, which some people call a spool valve, I guess. You can't get this stuff at a parts store. They don't sell these at a parts store for whatever reason. So if you go to the dealer and you get these parts, they're usually about 15 bucks for the pair. And if they tell you all they can get is a spool valve or the V-tec solenoid that comes with these, and that's all they can get you, just give them these numbers and make them look them up, because they usually always stock them. And for some reason, they always try to sell you the whole thing. And that's what a parts store is going to do too. So this is the right stuff. I actually mail ordered these. I'm going to show you how to put these on. It's really easy, straightforward. All you need is a 10mm 6-point socket, and you can go to town on this and do it yourself. Okay, so here's your solenoid. Basically, you just take this off here and unplug the top. Got 3 10mm bolts on the top of this. It's good to do both of these because the top one leaks once in a while too. There's one of them right there. I'm going to take this spool valve out. Don't put this in backwards either. There's another plug right here. Unplug that. These are really tight too, so you always want to use a 6-point because they strip out pretty easy. No need to scrape anything really. I just wiped everything down and put the new gasket in, and there's a spring inside of there too. I'm just going to leave that in there. It's a spring for the spool valve. These only get tightened to about 10 or 12 foot-pounds. I just do them by hand. You want to make sure this is clean and oiled. What you say?
I said, don't you just have to clean it out and oil it?
I put this new seal on and it falls out really easy, so try not to let it do that. There it is. Another wonderful fix by the Rusted Belt Auto Guy. Okay, bye.